Instructions to make your home lovely with a cleaning routine. Is a cleaning routine essential for each home? Maybe you are an unconstrained individual and don't carry on with life attached to schedules a lot. Perhaps the possibility of a normal seems like something different you may begin. However, not stick with. Explicit schedules aren't for everybody. Individuals have their own specific manner of getting things done and doing what works for them. You could be the sort, similar to me, who blossoms with schedules a lot. Albeit, I do frequently change my schedules and change as different plans change. Whichever type you are, a cleaning routine can be useful in keeping on top of your home's neatness and association. A routine is an essential for creating propensities. At the point when you adhere to a specific method of getting things done for some time, it before long turns into a propensity. Positive or negative. The beneficial thing about great propensities is that inevitably you don't need to consider everything. It comes as natural and is extremely simple for you to do. You will be speedier at it and it won't appear to be a weight by any means. Doesn't this sound extraordinary to the extent cleaning goes? Utilizing a cleaning routine may take longer from the outset on the off chance that it is something new. However, once you get its hang, it will require some investment and energy. Your home will be cleaner and simpler to keep up. Doing week-by-week tasks are quicker in light of the fact that they keep up the territories of the house. Month-to-month cleaning would require a more profound clean from the most recent month's development. I discovered this out the foremost difficult way possible. Cleaning each week was less work and less an ideal opportunity without a doubt. Since everybody and each family is unique, my cleaning routine may not accommodate your timetable or way of life. So it is ideal to make one that accommodates your family and home. Instructions to create a cleaning routine. Run down errands that should be done consistently. Try not to stress over profound cleaning now. Allocate an individual to every task that should be finished. Relegate a time span to every errand. Pick explicit days and times to achieve the errands. A few thoughts are to pick one day a week and take it out in a couple of hours. Or utilize 20 minutes every day and work on 2 or 3 errands per day. Make a schedule, errand diagram, schedule updates, whatever turns out best for your circumstance. Prize you and your task laborers with a great movement. This is extraordinary inspiration.